Hey, today in this video we will be talking about all the leaks of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus that has been out so far. So, let's begin. Now there has been a lot of leaks of the upcoming new Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, but what's actually confirmed is that it will be launched really soon. It's supposed to be launched at MWC 2018 and the date of MWC 2018 is leaked, which is February 2018. Now coming to the leaks, first of all, according to FCC filing, the model number of the S9 will be SM-G960F and that of S9 Plus will be SM-G960-5F. One of the rumor which was going from the beginning was that the fingerprint sensor will be embedded under the screen, but the leaks confirms that it won't. Also that the fingerprint reader will be below the camera lens. Now that's a good thing since the fingerprint reader position was the biggest complaint of the Samsung Galaxy S8 users. Galaxy S9 will probably be launched with the Qualcomm's latest announced Snapdragon 849 chipset and Exynos 9810 series depending on the region they are launched. Snapdragon 845 is supposed to be 25% better in terms of CPU performance and 15% more power efficient than its predecessor. It also has many camera improvements. Now talking about the camera, leaks show that S9 Plus will have dual cameras with both optically stabilized. In another leak, benchmark scores were also leaked, which might be impressive compared to the Samsung Galaxy S8, but it lags behind iPhone X's massive scores. Now that's not Samsung's fault, because it's due to the limitations of the Snapdragon chipset. Also an interesting theory which came up is that Samsung might just name its Samsung Galaxy S9 as Samsung Galaxy S10 so that people does not mistake it to be a generation inferior to iPhone X. Other leaked specifications includes the same QHD display that was on Samsung Galaxy S8, the retention of the 3.5mm headphone jack as suggested by a leaked picture of a circuitry board, retention of its micro SD card slot, and a bigger 3200 mAh battery. Now there might be many things that Samsung will copy from Apple, which also happens vice versa. But the end result is that we the consumers will be the one who gets benefited from that, and that's what actually matters. Now share your thoughts about these leaks in the comment section below. So if you like this video, then consider hitting the like button and share and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.